Sofia.
My name is Renata.
My name is Salma.
And my name is Apriana.
We will show you a procedure text about how to crimp scalpel.
Check it out!
Step 1. Cut the end of the cable until it is even. Then peel the outer part of the cable or protective jacket. Separate and group the 4 existing pairs of the cables. Describe the pairs of the cable in sequence. Arrange the cables according to your needs. For the first connector, always arrange them according to the standard for strike or cross. Tidy up the cable arrangement by pressing the part close to the cable wrapping so that the cable arrangement looks even. Cut the uneven ends of the cable with a cable cutter. Make sure the distance between the cable wrap and the end of the cable is no more than 1 cm. When the corrector is in the crimp tool, make sure the cable is completely touching the RG45 cable. Then you can press the crimp tool as hard as you can.